Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing both devices. Make sure your Quest 3 has current firmware and your phone has the Oculus/Oculus mobile app installed. Both must be on the same Wi-Fi network. Once done, open the headset quick settings, choose sharing, then cast. This enables the service. On your phone, open the Oculus app and tap the cast icon. This pairing step creates a local stream. It's necessary because casting uses your LAN to send video and audio from headset to phone. You now select the target and start the stream. In the headset cast menu, pick your phone's name, then switch to the Oculus app and accept the incoming cast request when prompted. Make sure to grant any permissions the app asks for, because they allow the app to display and record your cast. If the phone does not appear, refresh the device list. Often switching Wi-Fi bands or disabling VPNs fixes visibility. Since multicast discovery can be blocked by some, you finish by starting the cast and verifying the stream quality on your phone. Press Start Casting in the app or headset and check that both video and audio appear. Adjust volume or headset mic settings if needed. When done, stop the cast from either device. If you see latency, stutter, or the phone never connects, reboot the headset and phone, update firmware and the app, and ensure both are on the same router band. This single reboot resolves most connection issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.